Elon Musk has finally dropped the words that send shockwaves through the tech world. Tesla is stepping into the smartphone arena. His reasoning is almost too simple to ignore. Everyone on the planet is going to want a phone, and Tesla refuses to let that opportunity slip by. Out of this vision comes the Tesla Pi phone, revealed at a shockingly low price of $295, instantly positioned not as just another smartphone but as a disruptive force designed to rewrite the rules of mobile technology. Musk even emphasized that the unboxing itself has been carefully crafted to feel pleasant, but what really matters is what you discover inside. Because once you lift that lid, you realize this isn't just another sleek device, it's a statement of intent. For as little as $235 in some markets, Tesla has created what could become the single smartest investment you'll make in 2025. And as always with Musk, the details are where the revolution begins, with features so radical that Apple couldn't replicate them even if it poured its entire R&D budget into the effort. The first frontier Tesla tackles is privacy. For years, smartphones have acted as silent witnesses to our lives, recording conversations, tracking locations, analyzing habits, and storing deeply personal details like health data and search histories. These are not just conveniences, they are vulnerabilities in a world where AI surveillance grows stronger and data is treated as currency. Just recently, a hacker known as Bytebreaker claimed to have siphoned 1.2 billion Facebook user records by exploiting a loophole, including names, phone numbers, and locations. Against this backdrop, Tesla's claim sounds almost unbelievable: zero covert tracking, zero data leaks, and absolute user sovereignty. The Pi phone, Musk says, flips the entire script. Ordinarily, the scale of Tesla's ambitions should make privacy harder. Early reports suggest that each Pi phone will gather nearly 4.7 gigabytes of data per user every single day, 42% more than the iPhone 16. That's because of its deeper ecosystem integration and its advanced AI features. But instead of creating a bigger target, Tesla locks every scrap of data inside the phone itself using a 384-bit quantum-resistant encryption algorithm before it ever syncs elsewhere. The result is a breach risk so low, 0.02%, that even NSA cryptographers would be envious. Add to that the Privacy Fortress toggle, which instantly disables 92% of optional data tracking like browsing habits or voice pattern analysis while leaving essential functions untouched. And Tesla's on-device AI goes one step further by scrubbing personal identifiers from any data used for machine learning, ensuring it can never be linked back to you. This draws directly from the ethical playbook Tesla perfected with its autonomous driving fleet, which has already handled data for millions of cars without compromising driver privacy. The comparison to Apple here is unavoidable. Apple has built its reputation on privacy, but the truth is that its entire profit structure depends on user tracking. Even anonymized, its data streams fuel advertising, app store recommendations, and ecosystem lock-in. It simply cannot dismantle that without collapsing its recurring revenue pipeline. Tesla, on the other hand, doesn't need your phone data to stay profitable. The Pi phone is sold at near cost, while Tesla's money still comes from cars, energy products, and subscriptions. That frees the company to build a model where privacy isn't a marketing line, it's a structural priority. The Pi phone decentralizes your information, making your device itself the fortress. Inside it lives the Audit Hub, a dashboard that lets you monitor, export, or completely erase your data whenever you want, with a full 48-hour purge synced across every connected Tesla device. That level of proactive control is absent in Apple's centralized iCloud, which remains opaque and vulnerable by design. This shift could not be better timed. Surveys show over 80% of smartphone users worldwide now identify as privacy paranoid, and Tesla's promise of digital sovereignty could drive adoption among cautious professionals, parents, and enterprises by nearly 30%. More than a phone, this is a psychological shield. Imagine carrying a device that frees you from the constant dread of being monitored, one that guarantees your private life stays truly private. With the Pi phone, you're not the product, you're in control. But Tesla's ambitions stretch far beyond privacy. Next comes health, where the Pi phone introduces the world to its integrated health Aura monitor. For years, Apple's health ecosystem has been tied to the Apple Watch and third-party accessories. According to analysts, even in 2024, Apple's platform only covered about 60% of vital signs, and only if you had multiple devices. Meanwhile, over a third of consumers never buy wearables at all, calling them uncomfortable or overpriced. Tesla has collapsed all of that complexity into one phone. The Pi phone's embedded infrared and ultrasonic sensors measure heart rate variability, skin hydration, and even cortisol levels with nearly 90% accuracy. Everything is processed on-device through Tesla's powerful XAI system, which was adapted from the same in-car occupant monitoring used to keep drivers safe. That means no waiting for cloud results, no hidden servers holding your health records. Within 10 seconds, the Pi phone can alert you to stress spikes, fatigue, or dehydration, urging you to take action. Apple's notifications, by contrast, often come late or depend on wearing an additional device. Tesla goes further with sleep optimization. Apple mostly tells you after the fact how you slept. Tesla actively improves it in real time, shifting screen hues or sending subtle vibrations that guide you into deeper, more restorative cycles. Early testing shows an 18% boost in sleep quality, something Apple simply cannot match with its passive tools. Tesla adds another breakthrough with its Vitality Pulse feature, which generates a live 3D aura of your health data. It's a holistic dashboard of your body in real time, shareable instantly with doctors, family, or caregivers. Apple, bound by its fragmented hardware, cannot deliver something so integrated. In a wellness tech market expanding by 20% annually, this innovation positions Tesla at the center of explosive growth. Analysts already suggest the Pi phone could pull 10% of Apple's wearable market, drawing in health-conscious buyers who suddenly realize they don't need to spend hundreds more for insights they can already get from their phone. And beyond numbers, the emotional resonance is powerful. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your phone quietly watches over you, not just for texts or calls but for your well-being. It calms anxieties, boosts confidence, and turns technology into a caretaker. And then there is creativity, where Tesla once again goes places Apple cannot follow. The Pi phone features an AI-driven creativity engine designed to turn anyone into an artist, regardless of training. Apple's tools like Procreate or GarageBand are respected, but they demand steep learning curves. Studies show most people give up within weeks. Tesla flips this entirely. With the Pi phone, a sketch with your finger becomes a polished illustration in seconds. A hummed melody transforms into a full composition. Children can doodle and instantly see animations, while seniors can create memories without fighting through complex menus. Creativity is no longer a hurdle, it becomes joy. The secret is Tesla's industrial-grade AI, trained on design systems originally developed for Tesla vehicles. It delivers instant, high-quality results with over 90% user satisfaction. Even collaboration gets reimagined, as Pi phones can sync in real time for group projects, blending styles together in ways Apple's walled-off apps can't attempt. Haptic feedback, derived from Tesla's autonomous vehicle precision systems, subtly guides your strokes, boosting accuracy by over 20%.